In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a video in Flixier. Begin by opening your Flixier project and dragging your video clip into the timeline. When you play it, it will look like a normal video with no effects applied. To add blur, first make sure your video clip is selected in the timeline. Then go to the right side of your screen and click on the Effects option. Scroll down until you find the blur slider. By moving the slider to the right, you will gradually increase the blur effect on your video. The more you move it, the stronger the blur will become. If you ever want to reset the blur back to 0, you can simply click on the reset icon beside the slider. Choose a blur level that looks good for your project, for example 50%, and then play the video again to preview how it looks as a blurred background or soft focus clip. If you decide that you no longer want the blur, you can go back to the video settings on the right-hand panel and click on the bin icon next to the blur option to remove it completely, and this is how you can blur a video in Flixier.